DELMIA's optimized planning solution for the architecture, engineering, and construction industries provides contractors with 21st century virtual prototyping tools to reduce risk, increase safety, and optimize resources and schedules to increase cost competitiveness. Using DELMIA's optimized planning, contractors can visually demonstrate to owners the main construction methods at the tendering stage by simulating the master construction program. 4D simulation enables construction planners to optimize project schedules, resources, and labor by simulating systems and materials with relevant spatial information to detect logistical conflicts or inefficiencies. Construction planners can determine the best possible sequence for an efficient construction phase and identify possible adjustments to the facility design to improve its constructability. Construction planners can also avoid unexpected construction problems and potential work-related safety issues of critical tasks by simulating all construction activities with a collaborative 3D environment. DELMIA's optimized planning enables construction planners to optimize the construction schedule and avoid project risks by defining and validating a precise and detailed construction plan prior to the execution of the actual construction job.